G'day guys, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, we're talking about testimonials. I'm giving you a tip on how to get the answers you're really looking for. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about testimonials. Now, a lot of businesses will want to shoot their own testimonials, and that is fantastic. They'll head out, they'll have their list of questions, they'll come back, and when they get into editing, they'll realize that they don't really have the answers that they wanted. And so in this episode, I really wanted to tackle how you can get better answers in your testimonials. Now, I've been shooting testimonials probably for about the last 5 years, and there is definitely an art form to this. First of all, I would say, look at your question set. A lot of the time when we receive question sets directly from clients, or we're looking at people who are shooting their own sets of questions, we'll find that they will have a very long list of questions. And that is absolutely fine if you're looking to make use of all of the answers that you get, or you need to sculpt a very carefully worded answer. So for example, with our recent shoot with Westrack, we actually did a series of 20-minute interviews that were then cut into very scripted 40-second pieces.
My name is Damien. I've been with Westrack for the last 7 years, and I'm currently a leading hand in the rebuilds workshop. The best thing for working at Westrack for me is probably the variety of machines we get to work on, all platforms of building construction through to mining. I had to learn new skills and behaviours to be able to manage and lead my team, and I wasn't left alone in that. I've had a numerous amount of leadership courses that I've been enrolled in, and still some to complete, but it was good to see that Westrack wasn't just going to throw me in the deep end. For me, Westrack's reputation isn't solely in the product that it sells, it's created with the quality of work that its people produce.
But for a lot of people, cutting the question set that you go into your interview with, cutting that question set down will really help you refine what you're looking for from the interview. If you're struggling to work out which ones to take out, then it's often a good idea to, next to your question, just jot down the perfect answer that you want to get. And that will really help guide you to take out the unnecessary ones, but it will really help you to guide the interviewee on the day. They're very nervous, and so if you can give them a rough idea as to what you're looking for an answer, that will really help them. But actually, the main tip that I wanted to give you for this particular episode was around how you structure and ask a question to get the answer that you want. So if you're looking for a longer response from your interviewee, then you need to provide a more open question that will let them expand on what they're talking about. A closed off question will provide a far more shorter answer. So by using more of an open or closed question, you'll actually get a better response from your interviewee. So as an example, if I was to say, can you give me an overview of the workshop that you attended today? You're more likely to give a more open and longer answer than if I was to say, can you just give me a quick highlight of what happened in the workshop today? So by planning and tailoring the question set, it will really help you to control the length of answer that you get from your interviewee, and that will really help you in your editing. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're looking to join a community of active business owners who are also shooting their own videos, then come and join our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and as ever, I'll see you in the next video. Gingerbeard Media, get on beard.